Welcome back to Explain Through Rap, the channel you love that explains cool facts. Let's talk about Chainlink and keep it basic. Will the cryptocurrency really make it? Let's set the scene with the early backdrop. Launched in 2017 by Sergey Nazarov, Chainlink employs the use of oracles, yo. What do you mean by oracles, bro? A bridge between existing platforms and blockchain networks, allowing real-world data to get served to blockchains for use on smart contracts. Simple stuff, I hope you all got that. If you don't get blockchain or smart contracts, check out our other vids we explain in raps. It'll help understand this topic and be useful background knowledge. Chainlink was designed as a way for smart contracts to link to outside world data. Smart contracts are decentralized, but the data to execute them is centralized. Decentralized contracts dependent on centralized data holds is the problem Chainlink aims to solve. The solution they aim to best first is building a decentralized oracle network. That network will be an accurate data getter. Data sources might be event data, weather, market data, payments, and loads more. Let's take an example to show more. You and a friend are betting on a football match. If your team wins, you win loads of hot cash. You both agree and put it into a smart contract. Sounds simple, right? We all got that. It'll automatically execute when certain conditions are met. Then your team wins and you win the bet. The smart contract has no way to know the scoring. It's just an app. The code needs sources. You might link in data from the BBC, but that's a centralized source. It's easy to hack that database and change the result to cheat, and a smart contract will pay the fee. It's immutable and self-executing, so this issue requires the best solution. Another issue is if they misreport the score, the smart contract's validity will sure be poor. Chainlink seeks to remove mistakes and crime from real-world data being sent each time over the blockchain to boost smart contracts and the viability to be based on facts. The main feature is these oracles, something sweet not to be confused with the company. Chainlink gathers information from a network of oracles. They remove the outliers that are probably horrible and use the consensus from sources in its feed to pass smart contracts to ensure validity. Ethereum and Cardano have blockchains, of course, that offer smart contract support. As demand for these chains keep increasing too, demand for Chainlink oracles increases too. Chainlink also has a token called Link. It was issued on the Ethereum blockchain, I think. It has two uses. I hope you are on that, paying nodes for retrieving data from smart contracts and for deposits made by the nodes, as required by smart contract creators' code. So if you had a bet about a price of a stock that happens to be backed by a smart contract, you'll be paying a small fee and the node will grab it. To ensure data executing contracts are valid, the deposit is put up by the node operating the oracle to ensure they don't act basic and horrible. It ensures they're available for different requests. If they're not available, the deposit can be taken its best. It's insurance for smart contract owners that the data feed to the smart contract shows that price follows demand for smart contract usage. The more smart contracts needing to be executed means more demand for accurately centralized data, but a lot of tokens are out of circulation. The Link token is used for deposits. It's fine, but this leads to a reduce in supply. When demand goes up and supply reduces, the price of the token should be cruising. There's over 400 million Link tokens in circulation, with a max supply of 1 billion they're ever making. Some benefits to Link that are sure and steady. Over 75 blockchains use their tech already. It has lots of use cases to hand. It's well known and it's got the brand. Partnered with Oracle, which explains the working, and a company called Google you may have heard of. It's open source if parallel networks are possible, so developers compete for the better Oracle. I've covered most of the basics, so I'll stop, mate. Chainlink is a great boost to blockchain. It's a game changer for smart contract technology and for decentralized network philosophy. Was this interesting? Am I spitting knowledge? If you have an opinion, put it in the comments. If you have a request, comment that too. Now we'll make that rap for you. I'm no financial advisor, I'm just nice with the rhymes. It helps the channel if you hit like and subscribe.